What's up, guys? Today we're gonna go, or not today, tonight, we are gonna go for some night bite crappies. Hopefully they'll bite. It's kind of snowing, as you can kind of see. It's supposed to get worse, and I have the Ranger fired up right here behind me. We're gonna get right out in the lake and hopefully catch some crappies. So we will see you in a little bit, so stay tuned. Catch some night bite crappies today, but we've caught a few already, and now we're gonna just start filming here and hopefully we get some more action. And we're kind of in the middle of a snowstorm, so we'll get right into it and hopefully catch some crappies, so stay tuned. You just had a bite.
Yeah, I'm proud of me. There we go.
Got another one?
Oh.
It doesn't look, feel, or look as big, but there you go. Nice little crappie. Yeah.
Oh, those.
It's a nice little one. See him? There you go. And already he has another one on him.
I don't know which one to go for. One's more red than one. I have 3 marks on there right now. Under highlight. Why does this one keep going down? Oh.
You got one?
Oh yeah. There we go. Oh geez, that thing was so close under the ice. I didn't realize how close my jig was.
It's a nice one.
Yeah. Get him up in the light. What, 8, 9 maybe?
No, it's like 8.
Well, we can measure it though.
About 8. Something.
8.5.
So the fishing is kind of slowed down, so Dane decided he's going to dig a cave in the side of the big drift here. And we just kind of built a little wall around here, and we have like 1.5 to 2 feet of snow out here on the lake. And as you can tell, it is snowing. Maybe if I can turn the light on the, oh, there you go. And you can see it's snowing pretty hard. It's the middle of a snowstorm, and it's at night. And the crappies, when we first got here, they were biting, as you could see. But they kind of slowed down now, so got bored. So we're using the Ranger over there, the rig, for light. And every once in a while, I walk over here. I have to. You can see it's on right now, but I have to turn the engine on every once in a while for the battery doesn't go out. So I just turned the engine off here a little bit ago, so I still have a while. So I'm gonna get back to fishing now, and hopefully we can catch some fish. So you got another one?
Oh yeah. I didn't even notice that. I was letting down. Bro, I don't know. They're like, it's like 40 feet here now. Like,
yeah, they're like right under the ice on the Vexy.
I don't want to grab it. Oh, my hands are freezing. There we go.
There he is. Oh, small one right there. Well, what kind? You need to hold him like out here. Oh, there you go.
Yeah.
You're holding him out. Oh, whatever. It's small anyway. A nice little one. I think it's our 6th one so far. We got like 4 on film. So hopefully we can catch some more. So stay tuned and hopefully we will catch some more. So we just got back from being out on the lake because it started to snow pretty hard, and I don't know if you can tell like in this. I don't know how well the camera's gonna pick it up, but it is snowing pretty hard and it's windy. You can definitely tell the temperature's dropping. So we decided to wrap it up. I think we caught like 8 crappies in total. I don't know if we got all of them on film, but we didn't catch anything really big, but it was still fun. So that's the end of the video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time. See ya.